to provide quality and sustainable education for the next generation. Professional development for educators is vital. Educators will need to be equipped with both pedagogical knowledge as well as be effective facilitators who can manage virtual classrooms. To help educators go further, we have designed a new online learning ecosystem. We call it the MCEduHub for Professional Development. MCEduHub for PD is a digital learning platform where certified courses by MCE, our university partner, NTU Singapore, and other esteemed educational partners are available for educators to attend anytime, anywhere. It is also a community for educators where they can collaborate and exchange ideas internationally.
Our first certified course with MCE, Designing Effective Online Lessons, addresses the urgent need to help educators design effective online learning lessons for their students. Drawing on the expertise of faculty internally within NTU Singapore, we hope to produce more of such courses to make reskilling and upskilling easily accessible to the educators in the region. This collaboration hinges on the shared vision, which is empowering educators for the future through online and offline bite-sized learning, anywhere, anytime, and at the convenience of the learner. With more than 60 years of expertise in the industry, providing both quality print and digital learning solutions, it is evident that MCE is committed to raise the quality of learning and teaching through their materials, and with NTU working closely with them to provide quality professional development content for educators globally.
Investing in a teacher's professional development means investing in our students, who are our nation's future. MCE's professional development and programs helped our teachers exercise creativity and alter traditional teaching methods for the new age. The use of up-to-date technology in MCE online professional development courses also means that all learning is high-impact, productive, and accessible to all our teachers. MCE implemented the best educational practices that our teachers look up to, especially with the success of the use of Singapore learning and teaching methods, that which helped and inspired our teachers to be lifelong learners.